guys. So we finally made it to California. Now we are Santa Monica, and then we've been surfing today, and then we're gonna go to the piers as well. We're gonna walk to it. So looking forward for it. It's gonna be fun. This is my first time staying in California. Not being in California, but staying in it. Oh man, that's a good surf right there. And so we're gonna walk to the piers, and then we'll figure out what's theirs. We're gonna check out pretty much the entire Santa Monica Beach area. So yeah. I mean, it's a little chilly right now, and but it's a pretty good walk though. Now we're at the piers. These are all these fancy hotels alongside the beach, and then we're gonna go under this famous underground up right above the piers, and we're going there. Just gonna go hang out and swim under it. So that's it should be fun. Yeah, this is Santa Monica, and there's a ton of volleyball that way. That's kind of where we're coming from. We're kind of like swimming in and out, and we finally at the piers now. We're gonna go under. So, and let's continue the adventure. I'm on top of the piers, and there's quite a bit of ride. You can ride these, and right next to the beach. I'm not sure why they got all this generator here for. So yeah. We can get on it. I guess so.
Doesn't look bad.
You know, it doesn't look bad at all. Oh, that's it. That's an interesting dog. Wait, that's not okay. Yeah.
Give me some coins and let us play a game.
Oh. Man, there's a lot of games here. We can do the wheel thing.
What is your wheel?
That big wheel. What's the ride? We can do one of those circuit ride.
Circle? Maybe.
The circle. Here, that.
The roller coaster?
Yeah.
It doesn't look that bad, right?
Yeah, we can actually do that too.
But if you're gonna
Well, that'll be fine. Oh, it's right at ferry for $8. Yeah, I think we can do that. Okay. Oh, really? Oh. Alright guys, this area is very touristic. There's a lot of tourists, and kind of like venturing out as well, which is nice. Alright guys, let's see how long he's gonna stand up there. I think the time to beat is like 2 minutes. Oh.
1 minute 15 for an octopus.
15 seconds.
1 minute 50 for a teddy bear.
I don't know about that. I give it like a minute. It looks like it's struggling.
Seconds for small fries.
Oh, okay. Oh, no. Nah.
Better luck next time.
Oh, no. I don't know what he did, but he might have moved. Yeah.
Because he moved, maybe that's why.
Yeah, that's why. But I don't know. It didn't come off of it. Yeah. I guess it's all sensor. It's reading it too. Yeah, because you actually move on
Move it,
either
the thing
side.
is so probably,
Yeah.
makes sense.
Alright guys, here's Malibu. Right there. Oh man. Wait, this second.
Let me take a picture of you. There.
Maybe later on.
That's Frank.
That sounded like that didn't definitely not sound like French. I think more like a Scandinavian country, and it sounded like a Scandinavian country. I don't know what language was that though. Yeah, definitely not French. So
It's my enemy.
no.
No, don't say. You're not gonna.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So for the game today. So no, I'm gonna wear a black shirt today. So, alright guys, so we kind of like are in a harbor, and there's definitely quite a bit of tourists.
It's good now, you know. Not
Yeah.
windy, so now it's good to get it.
Yeah, I think so too. Now it'd be perfect to get in the water. And you know, people can buy some souvenir here. And so, hey, you should give me a shout out. Maybe Speed can give me a shout out too. And so, well, for the game tonight, I might actually see Speed. And so,
Okay, what? Oh, okay. You're talking to your followers, okay?
oh man. Yeah, because we're between buildings now. Hey, la. Oh yeah. I'm moving. Fuck.
How about the roller coaster? Let's go.
We can get on it, but the line may be longer, and then we may lose the sun. And I don't want to lose the sun. That.
Wait, let's see how's the line.
So, alright guys, that's we're in Santa Monica now, and we're still kind of like walking around. Then eventually we're gonna go to the beach. Well, we're gonna go swimming. We are in the beach, and so. Yeah, my feet, it's a little cold, hotter, but this is kind of what I want now. And maybe I should walk on that thing here. Sorry. No. Yeah. This is way, yeah, it's way much better because I'm not wearing a shoes. So, but it's just better not wearing shoes anyway. And so, yeah, that's why when I want to get in the ocean, it would just feel like. You just feel good. Oh my gosh. This is great. Oh. It does get pretty hot, I guess. because I can actually see the heat right now. This looks like that beach. It's way much better than this one.
Which one?
That one. Where we were.
You sure?
I think we can go this way, right? Yeah.
We are not going to the roller coaster.
We can try, but I think we're gonna lose the sun. We
I
can.
feel that that way is not gonna be
Yeah.
cold. Cause
Oh, yeah.
you can see, you can feel the wind already.
Wait, you wanna? Yeah.
Huh?
I don't know about that one. Alright guys, so I'm done with the beach. Now we're gonna go get ready for the game, the soccer game, PSG and against a Brazilian team. So beach is still getting crowded. For some reason all these volleyball courts, there are only not many people today. Maybe later on we might run into some more people playing. And so, oh man, it's getting hot.